Hello friends, today I will discuss how to do meditation at home. Meditation is an effective technique that has been around for centuries. People who meditate consistently find that there are a lot of benefits of meditation. Meditation helps decrease in stress and anxiety. It also improves sleep and overall health. A person who meditates regularly better knows how the mind works and how to work with their mind. Meditation also relieves from unnecessary thoughts being among them. Now I will discuss the steps of meditation at home. First, decide why you want to meditate. What is the reason behind it? People meditate because of various reasons. For example, A. To improve their creativity. B. To help visualize a goal. C. To quiet their inner chatter. D. To make a spiritual connection. E. Or just to get away for everyday anxiety. After deciding why you are meditating, choose a time when you are comfortable. Find the distraction-free area in your home. Set your time for 3 minutes only. Keep your mouth closed as you breathe. You should both inhale and exhale through your nose when you are meditating. However, make sure your jaw muscles are relaxed even though your mouth is closed. Don't clench your jaw or grin your teeth. Simply relax. Focus in your breathing by focusing all of your concentration on your inhalation and exhalation. You'll find that all other thoughts from the outside world fall away on their own without you having to worry about how to ignore them. Observe your breath, but don't analyze it. Your goal is to be present within your breath. You do not have to describe it. Just experience each breath in the moment. When it passes, experience the next breath. Try not to think about your breathing with your mind. Just experience it through your senses. Whenever you notice the outside world creeping in, don't panic and try to ignore them. Instead, gently nudge your focus back to the sensation of your breath in your body and let other thoughts fall away again. If you are having trouble refocusing your attention, try counting your breaths. That's it. Click the like button, subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.